Hey, what up, guys? How you doing? Why am I talking like this? I don't know. Transition of freaking awesome. You gotta make do when you don't have vlogging equipment, editing equipment. Hi. I'm actually looking at myself. It's kind of weird. Silly faces. Um, God, my skin's having all sorts of reactions to the. As most of you guys know, I have freaking gout. If you don't know what gout is, Google it. It sucks. So sometimes my skin gets red because of the gout. Um, I just wanted to make a quick little vloggy vlog. I am lying down in bed, as you can see. And a nice couple days off of work, and just wanted to update you guys on some of the audition stuff. It's been kind of rough. I haven't gotten any work since Revolution. I mean, I have my job, my day job, but I've been submitting to stuff, hearing a lot of no's. But it's okay. That's what you got to get used to is the no, because sooner than later they're gonna say yes, and then that's awesome. And plus, I've gotten callbacks. So that's a blessing in itself. Um, but yeah, oh man, I think I'm getting an idea for a funny video that I want to shoot. I was playing the drums today, and I, I posted on Facebook. I was like jamming out. It was awesome. It was a great stress reliever. I think I mentioned it before, but I was like doing a cool beat, and I'm like, what the? I felt like a drummer, and then I realized nobody was around, and I don't know how to drum, and I like kind of freaked myself out. So I just stopped. I'm like, what happened? And I couldn't do it again. Somebody should have been recording because I don't know what I was doing, but it sounded cool. Uh, oh, excuse me. But yeah, just a small little update, guys. I haven't been vlogging because nothing really exciting's been going on, and I'm sure you guys don't want to see me talking to the camera every single day, or maybe you do. I don't know. Post a comment if you enjoy these one take vlogs, and by all means, I'll keep doing them. I like how it's kind of funny. I try to grow what I have left out, and nothing's growing. It's kind of like you're bald, dude. Just deal with it. Oh well, just gonna have to shave it probably again. I wish you could put like Miracle Grow. That would be cool. You could just put Miracle Grow on your head and it just beep, 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 beep. It popped out. I have a little bit of hair left. Not much. But yeah, guys. I'm just gonna go to bed. I think. Focus on the camera. Where is the camera? It's right here. Oh, hello. Hello. Scratch your face. Scratch it. I'm gonna go to bed, guys. I'm freaking exhausted. I got up, like 8 in the morning. Oh, yawning transition. Um, yeah, I'm gonna go to bed. Love you guys. Um, we'll see you guys soon. Okay? Bye. Beep boop beep boop.